Here we have a 2015 Audi Q5. This is a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic 8-speed. Exterior color is a Mythos black metallic. And it already has a really nice tint job on it. It does have illuminated entry. Also roof rack rails there for your travels. It's dual exhaust, plenty of space in the back here. Automatic liftgate. Back seats do fold down for extra storage as well. And the interior is a beautiful beige leather, two-tone brown. Does have backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation, nice display screen. Very clean ride. Also has a beautiful panoramic moonroof. 10 speakers for your listening pleasure. Also adaptive LED headlights and driver's assist package as well.